Are you excited about the Crypto.com DeFi wallet where you can stake your CRO and get really nice rewards? You go on the Crypto.com app, you go onto Crypto.com, you go to transfer, you go to withdraw, and then you go to your Crypto.com DeFi wallet, select CRO, and then oops, you get a message like this. We are currently working hard to bring CRO on Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Stay tuned. No. What is the workaround? First of all, make sure you have the Crypto.com DeFi wallet downloaded on your phone. Make sure you've signed up and you've got everything ready to go. Make sure that your DeFi wallet is connected to your Crypto.com app. We're going to go to the home page, click on settings, scroll down to Crypto.com DeFi wallet and connect your wallet. So make sure it's connected. Then if you go to accounts, Crypto.com coin, transfer, withdraw, Crypto.com DeFi wallet, CRO, and you still get the message, then this is how you can work around that. Go to your DeFi wallet, click on crypto.org coin, click on receive, and you have your details right here. Click on copy, so the little square little thing down there, the square behind a square. Or is it a square in front of a square? You will see that you have two networks. You've got the CRO network and you've got the ERC20 network. You can choose any of them, but you need to make sure that both networks are the same. So if you're going to choose CRO, then you want to make sure that on the other side, you've also chosen CRO. If you're going to choose ERC20, then make sure that on your Crypto.com app, you've also chosen ERC20. How do you decide which one is better? Especially if you're a beginner. There's a little icon at the bottom, a little eye. You can click on that and you can read what it says. CRO versus ERC20. CRO is a native currency of the crypto.org chain, which enables near-instant CRO transactions with minimal fees. ERC20 CRO tokens are created and hosted on the Ethereum blockchain, where Ethereum network fees are required to carry out crypto transactions. You very likely know that the Ethereum network fees are pretty pricey at the moment, so personally I'm going to go with the CRO network. Copy your address, go onto your Crypto.com app, go into your CRO account, click on transfer, click on withdraw. We'll do a little test first, okay? I'm doing a little test. I'm only going to send a tiny bit of money, not a lot. So make sure you do the test as well. Go to external wallet, add wallet address. See how you have the option here to go CRO or ERC20. Click on CRO if you're doing CRO like me. Otherwise, if you're doing ERC20, you know what to do. You're going to paste the address that you just copied into your CRO wallet address. There doesn't seem to be a CRO memo. Let's select no memo required for my wallet. And wallet name. I'm going to call it Crypto.com DeFi CRO. Yeah. And then continue. Are you sure you want to withdraw without including a memo? Make sure your wallet does not require a memo. Okay, I couldn't see a memo anywhere, so I don't think it requires a memo. Withdraw CRO without including a memo may result in lost deposits. That's why we're only going to choose a small amount. Okay, and there it is. Nice. Next step is to click on withdraw CRO and the amount. So I'm just going to go for the minimum, which is 230 CRO. Oh, I just put that in pounds. No. This is a test. If you tap on the top, tap on CRO, it brings CRO to the bottom. So you can put your 230 down there. Let's click on withdraw. Let's double check that that's correct. The fee is 0.001 CRO. That is peanuts. Let's click on confirm. Let's see how long this takes. I'm going to put a timer on. It's been less than a minute. I just saw a notification come in, but we're going to go over to here. We're going to refresh. Withdraw CRO completed. Let's go over to the DeFi wallet. Let's see if it's there. Ooh, I think there's something there. It's arrived. That was less than a minute. We're going to click on crypto.org coin, available in DeFi Earn. I have to admit, I've gotten on board very late with this because I was doing so many other things. and I missed out on the 100% returns. It's dropped to 43. As I said in one of my previous videos, a lot of people are getting on board with this, but we'll take a 43%, that's fine. Click on max amount here. Stake 229.999 CRO. Let's click on stake. Always read the fine print. Validator commission. Rewards received from the crypto.org chain staking are shared with the validator, as the validator charges a commission for transaction validation and node operation. The commission is a fixed percentage of your corresponding staking reward, and is directly applied to your reward balance. Okay. Let's confirm stake and let's see if we get the 229. 28-day unbonding period. I understand that my CRO in crypto.org chain staking is subject to a 28-day unbonding period when I unstake, as enforced by the crypto.org chain network. What does this mean? From my understanding, it means that you stake your CRO, and then when you want to unstake, you can't actually access your funds until 28 days later. During the 28 days that you're waiting to withdraw your funds, you will also not get paid any rewards. So you won't get staking rewards on that. We're just going to say don't show me again, and let's proceed. Request submitted. Your request to stake at 229. CRO is pending. The validator is New Shepherd. Network fee. So the network fee is also like very little. Then when you come back to your CRO wallet, you can click on view earnings in DeFi Earn. You will have all of the information here. If you click on earn more, then you can add to your stake. It's pretty simple and straightforward. You just click on earn more and you can keep staking. If you'd like to stake some other digital currencies on your DeFi wallets, then make sure you've got some Ethereum in there. Go to receive, click on that, select whatever currency you like. Say for example, BAT token, copy the address, and then do the whole process again with BAT. So you'd go to your crypto.com wallet, you'd go to, let's see if I'll go a bit, yep, I've got BAT in there, and then transfer, and then withdraw, and then external wallet, and then add wallet address, and then paste it in there, and then just follow the steps again for each currency. That's it for today. Feel free to check out my other videos on crypto.com. Also, feel free to check out my technical analysis playlist if you're learning how to trade and if you're a total beginner. I also have some videos on automated trading bots. If you liked this video, please remember to subscribe and leave me a like, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.